How to remove lock screen word on Android. If you want to remove your lock screen password or PIN on Android, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and look for Fingerprint, Face Data, and Screen Lock. The name or location of this option may be different depending on your Android device or software version. On some devices, you may find it under Lock Screen or a similar security section. Tap on Fingerprint, Face Data, and Screen Lock. Next, tap on Screen Lock. Enter your current PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Now tap on Turn Off Screen Lock. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap OK to confirm. Your screen lock will now be turned off. Keep in mind that removing your screen lock makes your phone less secure and may also disable fingerprint or face unlock. And that's how you can remove the lock screen password on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.